So I've just got to ram this car through so the police can't get in.
We need help.
There we are. And me and Jack are going to be holding down the gun store, of course, with the man himself, Jack. I've got this gold pistol and it's absolutely beast. Wait, what black one? You have to put it there, don't you? Okay. So what we do is we start killing people and that, and then the police come. And we have to try and hold it down until we just have to escape. I don't think the police want me yet, so let's just... Yes, I know the cops are here. Go and check out Jack's channel, and Jack's video, same version of this, his side of it. Link is in the description, so yeah. No. Oh, the SWAT, Jack. There's actually SWAT down there. Crap! Whoa, what just happened? That's why we should have got a big truck and parked it in front everywhere. Okay, well, I've got a car to ram through the doors. I mean, actually, how about the getaway vehicle is these motorbikes, and we both park them out the back. We both park them out the back. Okay, come into the gun store. Jack, I was gonna say our getaway vehicles could be a motorbike each. Okay, mine's there. Okay, do you want me to get the car and ram it through the door? Do you, Jack? You hold inside of it and I'll quickly get the... Have you got your getaway motorbike? Yeah, okay. So guys, I'm gonna be putting this car in front of the gun store door, I believe. If I can find it. Jack, is your getaway vehicle out the back ready? I'm not gonna ram it through the door. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna like... I don't know how I'm gonna do this. There's already a car inside. What? Get inside then. I'm coming out the back. Jack's a big noob. Okay. Yeah, I had to do that to flip over, like. But why are people already calling the police? It's a bit obvious someone's already done that. We've got hostages. Shoot them in the legs, they'll bleed out. I bet they'll die. Crap, Jack, there's already... Now we can use these cars as like cover. Yeah. Oh god. Go get it! You want me to cover you? Well, you go get the truck. And... Yeah, I can't cover you yet. Okay, you got it. There's no cops there, yeah. They're all coming through the back. Probably. You should be alright for a sec while I just go and check what's going on out the back. Come back in, just forget about the truck if it didn't work. Okay, do you want to go outside? Go on then. I don't know whether we're going to be doing a lot more or just a couple more. This might be the only one of Watch Dogs. Me and Jack aren't sure yet. Well, there will be more than one. Okay. Get your pump action shotguns ready for when the SWAT come.
There, I think I got him.
Crap. I can't even see him, Jack. Shh. Crap. Help, 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 help. I'm getting my head kicked in. Oh no. See, it worked when we was off stream. We got away and then we come up with the idea, let's stream this. And it all goes wrong and we die. Attempt 3. Okay, I've got the getaway vehicle. Forget about the motorbikes. Get this car. It's bloody nice.
911, what is your emergency?
Jack. Bloody hell, the traffic. You got a limo? Are we gonna use the motorbikes or this car? I've got this sick car. Should we use the car so then we can't get split up? Yeah, okay. I'm gonna put the getaway car out, okay? Oh no, the police think different. All the police cars are blocking the entrance and the exit. I just about got through. You're gonna have to hold them off for a sec while I move all the... Because there's 3 cop cars right outside where you have to drive out. So I'm just gonna move them out the way. Quickly, if I can. Okay, one more, and then we'll be fine. Okay, we're done. Okay, the getaway vehicle's white. I'm coming. I'm coming through the back. This will be going on YouTube, although there's probably nobody watching it on the stream, but who cares? Okay, this might be the time we actually do it. Oh my gosh, just look on your map how many there are. There's loads. I'll check out the back.
Be advised, units are en route to the suspect location.
Crap. Calm down. Jack, your character is like some fat lady. Multiple painkiller prescriptions. Okay. Is anyone coming from the back way? I'm just gonna go outside for a sec.
Really want to go home in a body bag? Work on yourself. You don't have a chance.
There's a guy coming in. He just glitched through the door or something. Where the heck did he go? No, I'll take the back. I got him.
Got him. He's down. On your knees. Down. Oh, look out. Shots fired. He's down.
No, it's because I was beating one guy up and then some other guy must have come up from the stairs. Let me just check if the getaway vehicle's still there. I can't see the getaway vehicle. I can't jack, the getaway vehicle's disappeared. Do you want me to get another or should we just... Yeah, get the cop car, was really good. Check, there's another guy coming. They're trying to work out how to get inside. Bloody hell, the traffic out there. Crap, I can't. I'm getting killed. Now, I'm checking out back. There's no one out back. Jack, I'm getting the copper you're shooting at by going around the back, going to the front. Okay, that might... I'm losing ammo in some of my guns. Jack, check out the front. I'm just gonna go and look out here. I know, that's what I'm gonna do. Do you want to get away now? Okay, let's head back inside. Well, I am anyway. I think they are. The SWAT has come, they just can't find a way to get in. There's a SWAT over there. Jack, you're gonna get smoked. Well, nah, Jack. Of course they're gonna try to kill us. Oh crap, they found a way.
Got him.
They jumped over the limo. Jack, they jumped over the limo. So do I, Jack. Crap! Big SWAT. Help me, Jack. Help me.
Got him.
Yes, I'm using it. It still takes a bit. Do you want to get away? Should we get away? You keep saying, oh, look how dark it is. There's no light at all. Jack, what you doing? Jack. Oh man. Should we get away? Come on, let's go. You're gonna say stay a bit longer once more and then we're gonna die.
Hey! I got him.
Okay, we're going, guys. Jack, I'm driving. Get in this one. This one. Okay, whatever then. I'm driving. Yeah, I'm gonna come. No! Of course not. Crap, why is he doing that? Sorry, Jack. Get in. I'm in! Crap, the SWAT car's blocking us. Crap. I got an idea. We got it. Okay, all the wheels are broken, but we'll be able to get away. Come on. I can't even see the smokes in the way. Okay, if we find a car and we've got time. Found one. Use this. This small car here. Very strong. Jack, get in this. Where the heck's the parking lot? Let's put it on the map so I can see. Turn left. Turn left. Now what do I do? Oh, don't tell me just as I've gone past it. Okay. Okay, we're in, we're in. Crap, there's another door. Need to close that one as well. How do we close this one? We can't close this one. We should get like a big car to block that off so they can't get in. Discuss. Why is there a lot of them? Oh crap, get in the car. Crap, I'm almost dead. I'm pretty much dead. Okay, now close. Crap. Just don't tell me where to go, I'm just gonna drive this time. Crap, that had to get in the way, man. Sorry about that. I'm driving the boat, Bagsy. Get in this one. I'm driving. I can't. What are you driving? Go. Are you dead? Okay, I'm gonna get away. It won't let me get in. The driver's seat. Okay, I'm in. Okay, hurry up. Hurry up. Come on. Get the police on ya. Come on. Hurry up, Jack. Hurry.
Please state your emergency.
Somebody's shooting up the city, hurry!
They're gonna try and run you over. Quick, go.
We've got a high-powered
Quick,
patrol
get in.
car in pursuit of suspect.
Come on. You on? Okay, we're going. You shoot him. Let's go. We're going. In our favourite rocket ship. Should we go this way? Oh, what's on here? Nah, I'm alright. We ain't gonna go up there. I know, but I just don't want to. You're just lying like you lied with that bloody Easter egg thing that one time. Escape successful. This game. Remember when you took me all the way across the map to see some bloody thing? And then you realised it was only in story mode just as we couldn't see it. Yeah. Well, at least we got away. Are you shooting me while I'm driving? Liar! Techers. We can go to America. I know where we can go. There's a stop just like right here. Just to stop. Okay, let's park properly. Oh no, there's like proper boats. Okay, we need to find a parking spot. Right, one right here. Who's a assaulted high school bully? How do I get out, man? I'll just jump off.
Send the police.
Jack, get police back on us. Why don't you? Well, good idea. Crap. Well, if you hadn't started shooting people. Okay, come on, follow me, Jack. Follow me. There's one up here. I'm getting on my own motorbike. I found a motorbike. Get your own car. Okay. Hide somewhere, do something, whatever. Crap! Bloody hell.
Copy that. A high-powered patrol unit is en route to the suspect.
I can't. They just knocked me off. You're going to have to come and get me. I'm on the highway. Crap, 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 crap. I'm just going to have to get in this. Go, 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 go. No, this is just going to make it a lot worse. Crap, wait. Jack, come to a train. Come to this train by the highway. I'm going to get on the train. Try to anyway. Quick, before the train starts. It's starting. Need to get on. Help. I can't hack. I can't use. I don't have that hack. Crap, I'm gonna die. No, I don't. I never play on this. Jack, you're gonna have to come and get me.
A patrol van's been dispatched after the suspect.
They're all following me. Come up the steps from the train. Another train! Stop there, cop. Crap! I'm just gonna have to jump. Let me. Oh crap! I'm dead. I almost got on the train. Jack, where am ya? Jack, I'm getting on. I'm gonna try and get on. I'm on, Jack. I'm coming. Are you on the train? I don't know why people are scared of me.
Let's close it up here. Alright, let's close it up.
Jack, hurry up. The train's about to start.
Yeah.
No, it has.
For now. We'll check with squad.
Stop it, and then get on, and then start it. No, we're too far. Well, me and you meet up at the same place if you're on the train next to it or something. Everyone's scared of me. I don't know why. I like I Get on then, quick. Hurry up. Get in my side so you can come to me. Jack, I'm here. See what yours says. Yours says not a registered voter. You're just some fat black lady. No, they're alive. Most of them are dead. I don't know how, because I ain't shot them. What? Did ya? You shot the driver of the train. Jack, are we gonna get off now or not? Now wait another ride. Wait one more. Oh man, I've got a headache. Stream's still got no viewers. No one watches Watch Dogs, really, do they? Jack, come on to this side. Wouldn't it be sick if we could just open the door? Jump. Jack, are we getting off? Yeah? Get off? Nah, don't. Stay on, stay on, stay on. Because there's still tons of cops. Start the train! Come on! You should start the train. Crap, there's SWAT outside there. They're coming. Jack, are you dead or something? Where am I? Jack, come on. I'm off. I'm off. Get off. Stop it. So am I. Not anymore, I don't think. I can't see which train, the one I was on. But, oh crap, this train's going. It needs to stop for me. Crap, stop. No, don't go. Crap, I'm gonna get killed. I have to find a car. I have to find something. I'm gonna die. Crap! They're right here. Hurry up! Yeah, I'm still being chased. I'm already in a car, but I don't have a clue where you are. Okay, stop still. Where am I at? Stop still. Don't move at all. Okay. I'm gonna try and come.
We will shoot you.
They're after me, so. Oh no. Jack, you here? Crap, get in quick. Get in. Oh my god. I'll meet you back there, Jack. I'll meet you back there. I'll meet you back there. Stop there, don't move. I'll try and make my way round. I'm gonna come from the other side, okay? Crap, you better be ready, cause quick now. Oh my god. Get in then! Shoot at him, you shoot at him.
A patrol car's been dispatched after the suspect.
Squad, I've lost the suspect. Squad, we're back on its trail, over.
Oh no.
I'm trying to spin him.
Do you want to jump off the side there? Do you want to jump off? Yes. I'm jumping off. I'm getting onto a boat, Jack. Or whatever it is. You should come.
Squad call units. PQS scan is located and marked suspect.
It's like a taxi boat, but it's really slow. Okay, I'm coming to you now.
We've got a high-powered patrol car
Hurry
in
up,
pursuit
you
of
better be
suspect.
quick, you're a bit away.
Anyone check out the tunnels yet?
It's really hard to ride this thing. Are you coming back to me? Okay, I don't know how you're gonna get on, but okay, this is slow, so you wait there. Honest to God, it's proper slow. No, don't. Is it like a boat or like a speedboat? Speedboat. Come pick me up then.
Check some of the side streets.
On your map, just look on your map. Crap, there's another speedboat down there.
We've got a patrol car in
I'll
pursuit
drive
of
over.
suspect.
Come over here.
Squad, this is E21.
Escape successful.
Over.
I'm gonna try. No crap, it's starting. Don't you move. You're there. Jack, stop it. I'm on. It says for you. I don't know. Jack! I fell off. I'm actually might end the stream here. So guys, we're going to end the stream here. This is going up on YouTube like all of my other videos. Fun. Trying to, yeah. We might be playing some more Watch Dogs. We're not sure. Probably yes. Probably tomorrow or later on today. Don't know whether we're going to